Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo. I've never thought Messi was as good as Ronaldo ever. If you had to pick one of the best players there's ever been, and I had to just pick one, I would probably just go for Ronaldo. Well, there's so many things in there about him. He's played wide. He was a wide left player basically, but he had all the ability in the world. He had the strength. He had the physique. He had the dedication to improve himself. His record's phenomenal. He's still playing and scoring goals for Portugal now. I know Messi still is, but I just think that Ronaldo had everything. What about his ability in air? Gets up in air, hangs there, batters headers into the net, can shoot with either foot, can send people the wrong way. He's got pace. He's got strength. I've always thought Ronaldo was a better player than Messi. Don't mean to say Messi's not a brilliant, outstanding, wonderful player, but I just think. As I think Steven Gerrard was just a little above Lampard and Scholes, I think Ronaldo's just above Messi.